Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm going to be sharing with you my quick haul that I did today. It would have been $194. I did a few transactions, some in the morning, some in the afternoon, since I did wanted to use some of the coupons that it has a restriction on how many you could use. So that's why it took a little bit longer for me to share the video. If you want to see more of the printable coupons, I'm going to share them in my site as well on excitedforcoupons.com. So let's just get started. I did not have the coupons in my insert. Luckily, I was able to print a coupons for the Lysol, but there is a restriction. So what I did was mix and match. I purchased 2 of the sprays, and then I purchased 2 of the toilet bowl. And then in the afternoon, I purchased 2 more of the sprays and 2 of the wipes. So this is what I did. I used a coupon deducting 50 cents each, so I paid $17.76, and I got back 5 ECB when you spend $20 on this deal. So my total was $12.76, or just $1.60 each. You could save even more if you do more of the wipes combining with the toilet bowl, but I really wanted to also buy the spray as well, and I think this was a pretty good deal. This one is a pretty good deal too. If you're going to do the same deal, make sure that you activate this on your Ibotta app. So what I did, I purchased 2 for $5. And I used one of the Red Plum coupon, deducting 1 of 2. And I also, everybody's getting this coupon once you scan your card. It's a CVS instant coupon. It will also deduct $1 when you buy 2. So I paid $3 on the register. You're not going to get any back ECBs, but you can submit it to Ibotta. And right away, I was able to get $1.50 back. But also, there's also grocery in the app, and you'll be able to save $1.75 depending on which amount you get on your Ibotta. So it came out to 75 cents each. I did 3 different transactions for Maybelline because I do have different cards. So this is the first one I did. I purchased 2 of the single eyeshadow for $3.99, so my total was $7.98. I used 2 coupons that is deducting $1 off 1 for any eyeshadow. And I also had a CVS CRT that printed last Sunday that expires today, Sunday, March 11th. So I used that as well. So I paid $3.98, but I got back 5 ECB, making it free and $1.02 money maker. Here's the second scenario that I did was I purchased the Total Temptation mascara, which I really like that product. It cost $9.49 and $8.99 for the foundation in a stick form. My total was $18.48, but I used a coupon for the foundation deducting off 2 and for the mascara deducting off 3. Also, I had a coupon from deducting off 2 for L'Oreal or Maybelline products, and also a 3 off 12 CVS coupon as well. So I paid $8.48. I got back 5 ECB, so my total was $3.48, or just $1.74. Covergirl has a good printable coupon, and so what I did was I purchased the melting lip, and it cost $8.79, so my total was $17.58. With the BOGO printable, it deducted $8.79 in the register, but also I received a coupon on my card saying that it will deduct $4 if I spend $14 of CoverGirl items. So I actually paid $4.79. I got back 5 ECB. I also submitted to Shopkick. Shopkick is a great app that you could just get points for scanning items and submitting receipts. So I'm going to get 100 points for this item, and also a 21 cents money maker. I've been using this app for many years, and you can use my referral code. You will get 250 kicks once you actually use it for one time. And you just need 500 points in order for you to get a $2 gift card, and there's many for you to choose from. So you could get my referral code if you are interested. I'm just using Shopkick, and it's really a worth app. There is many new CoverGirl items, and this is a perfect time for me to try them out. So what I did was I purchased 2 of those. It's 2 different of the powders. They're for $12.79, so my total was $25.78. I used that printable coupon that is BOGO, but the limit, the max, is $9.99, so that's how much they deducted in the register. I paid $15.79, but I got back 5 ECB. And my total was $10.79, or just $5.40, which is not bad because these are products I really want to try out. I did this deal a few times because I did use a few of my cards, and it did print it last week, the 2 off 2 Garnier facial coupon. So it was a great time to actually be able to use it. And in my store, the price was $2.89 on the 2 stores that I actually went to. It was the same price, so I paid $5.78, and I gave them that coupon, so it deducted $2, so I paid $3.78. I got back 3 ECB, making it a total of 78 cents, or just 39 cents for each mask. I wasn't planning to do this deal, but once I scanned my card, it printed a 4 off when you spend 16 on Garnier cleansers and moisturizers, CVS coupon. So what I did was I purchased one of the moisturizer and one of the cleanser. The cleanser usually is a little bit more. It's $8.99, so my total was $17.48. It deducted the $4, and it also deducted a coupon deducting 3 for the moisturizer and 2 for the cleanser. So in the register I pay $8.48, but I got back 5 ECB. And also in my savings star, I had activated this a few weeks back. $3 for the moisturizer and $2 for the cleanser. That's going to be $5 that I'm going to get back from savings star. So after that reward, that cash back, it will be free and $1.52 money maker. So this trip would have been $194.28 after the coupons applied, the ECBs, the cash back. And I actually used $9 from the beauty club that I got. Those are free ECBs. My total came out to $20.67, and it was a pretty good haul. And I wanted to share with you so you could see that combining the coupons with the deals, it is totally worth to get all these items. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And also I'm going to be sharing with you my referral codes in case you're interested with apps like iBoda, Shopkick, Fetch, rewards. A lot of the times just for signing up you get a lot of points, and those are going to help you get quicker and sooner to earning your rewards like gift cards or just getting your money back. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Any other information is going to be provided in the description box, which will include printable coupons as well. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.